She doesn't own a dress. Her hair's always a mess. If you catch her stealing, she won't confess. She's beautiful. Smokes a pack a day. Wait, that's me, but anyway. She doesn't care a thing about that. Hey, she thinks I'm beautiful. Meet Virginia. She never compromises. Loves babies and surprises. Wears high heels when she exercises. Ain't that beautiful? Meet Virginia. Where she wants to be the queen. And she thinks about her scene. Puts her hair back as she screams. I don't really want to be the queen. Daddy wrestles alligators. Mama works on carburetors. Her brother is a fine mediator for the president. But her, she is again on the phone. Just like me, hates to be alone. We just like to sit at home and rip on the president. Meet Virginia. Alright. Well, she wants to live her life. Then she thinks about her life. Puts her hair back as she screams. I don't really want to live this life. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no. No, no. She only drinks coffee at midnight when the moment is not right. Her timing is quite unusual. You see, her confidence is tragic, but her intuition magic, and the shape of her body unusual. Meet Virginia. I can't wait to meet Virginia. Hey. Well, she wants to be the queen. Then she thinks about her scenes. Well, she wants to live her lives. And she thinks about her lives. Puts her hair back as she screams. I don't really want to be the queen. I don't really want to be the queen. I don't really want to be the queen. I don't really want to live